Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you add the negative keywords list in Google Ads for law firm. Okay, let me share my screen. Look here, this is my client's Google Ads law firm dashboard and I run the campaign from here, and if you see here their per month budget is 17,300 dollar. I mean per month budget. Okay, here is the lots of conversion. Okay, so the thing is, when you want to add the negative keyword list, you should to go in the left side down. Here is option tools. Just move the cursor up in tools, and here is option shared laboratory. Okay, and in the town here is option exclusion lists. So you should click the exclusion list. Okay, I just click the exclusion list. So look here, here is option negative keyword list. Okay, so I click the pop-up button, so we can choose here from the negative keyword list name. So I click here, this is my first negative keyword list. Okay, first, and here is the add negative keyword list. So you should to note down the all negative keywords before add. So I already note down. So look here, these are all ads copies, these keywords and headlines and different creates and different ads group I create for better understand Google and to get the more results. And I create the different ads group for better understand Google and better quality score. Look here, here is a negative keyword list. Here is a lots of negative keywords. So I just copy some negative keywords, just copy, and again I come back the Google Ads account and put the negative keyword list, and here is the option save. Okay, so when I save, here is option the number one. So from here we are create only negative keyword list. So you can add the negative keyword list, specific for campaign, specific for ads group, everything what you want. And the another thing is, for Google Ads law firm, there's a different type law. I mean corporate law, tax law, family law, accident law, different types of law firm. So you should to add different type of negative keywords. And again, I tell you, you should to focus on adding the negative keywords perfectly, because the negative keywords list this work behind the campaign properly to avoid the irrelevant clicks. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and follow me for more. Thank you.